We'll guide you through how to use 16GB RAM for DaVinci Resolve effectively to enhance your video editing performance. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. You'll want to ensure that your system is optimized to make the most out of the 16GB RAM available. Go to the Preferences menu by clicking on DaVinci Resolve in the top menu and selecting Preferences. Once you're there, navigate to the Memory and GPU tab. Here, you can adjust the settings to allocate more RAM to DaVinci Resolve. Set the memory configuration to prioritize DaVinci Resolve, allowing it to use more of your available 16GB RAM. This can be done by sliding the dedicated memory usage bar towards DaVinci Resolve. Next, make sure that Optimize Performances is checked. This will help in distributing resources effectively during heavy tasks. You may also want to enable Render Cache under the Playback menu, and set it to Smart. This can significantly reduce the load on your RAM by caching frequently used clips or effects. Also, consider working in the Proxy mode, which you can find under the Playback menu. This reduces the resolution of your playback, allowing smoother performance without compromising the quality of your final render. If you're working on a large project, try to close other applications running in the background to free up more RAM space for DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to occasionally save your work to avoid losing any progress. These steps should help you run DaVinci Resolve more efficiently with 16GB of RAM. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.